Hi everyone, welcome back to next session. So we are discussing Unit 2 Design of Experiments. So here in our previous slide I have clearly explained about a table for RBD, that is two-way classifications. So now we will discuss one problem based on RBD. Look at this problem. An experiment was designed to study the performance of four different detergents for cleaning fuel injectors. The following cleanliness readings were obtained with a specially designed equipment for 12 tanks of gas distributed over three different models of engines. Right? So here they are given engine, three engines are there and four detergents are there. Engine means right, washing machine, like that. Okay, so I'm going to calculate the cleanliness. That cleanliness, is there any anyway, after read out the values, I will tell. Engine 1 detergent A, the values are 45, 47, 48, 42, and engine 2's and their column values are 43, 46, 50, 37. Here 51, 52, 55, 49. Right? So total we no need. Anyway, so here how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 3 columns are there. Overall n value is 12, we can declare. Even here the values are lengthy. While we are solving the problem, I can fix a common number. Here probably I may fix 50 is the number and subtract all the values from 50. For example, first value is 45, then we can write minus 5. So 47 minus 50 minus 3. Like that I am going to change the values while I am solving the problems because of simplification purpose. Otherwise, if you want to take as it is, yes, you can do it. Now they are given engine and detergents cleanliness values, right? Now perform the ANOVA and test to 1% level of significance whether there are differences in the detergents or in the engines. So majorly I am going to calculate the cleanliness. With respect to detergent also the cleanliness will differ. With respect to perfect washing machine also, that engine also, cleanliness will differ. So is there any significance? That is what I am going to check. So here, considering engine as well as detergent, two factor is arises. Therefore this is the problem belongs to two-way classification, and automatically I am going to apply RBD method. Solution, as I said earlier, changing the origin by 50. So write the values, engine values and detergent values. So engine values has taken as x1, x2, x3. Detergent values has to be taken as y1, y2, y3, y4. Subtract that value from 50, we will get these values. So minus 5, minus 7, 1, minus 3, minus 4, 2, minus 2, 0, 5, minus 8, minus 13, minus 1. Then their total value is minus 35. Similarly, like previous one-way ANOVA, I have to frame x1 square, x2 square, x3 square and their summation values. The summation of x1 square value is 102, summation x2 square value is 234, summation x3 square value is 31. So here keep it in our mind, t value is minus 35. After framed this table, the step 1 will arises. What is the step 1? As usual, n is 12 because 3 engine, 4 detergent, 4 3 are 12 will come. 12 values are given, n equal to 12. The total value t is equal to minus 35. CF, that is correction factor, is equal to t square by n. So t square by n value replace. T is equal to minus 35 square divided by 12, you will get 102.08. And TSS formula, this is what the formula. Summation x1 square plus summation x2 square plus summation x3 square minus t square by n. So replace respective values in respective places and simplify these, you will get 264.92 is the value for TSS, that is total sum of squares. Next step, SSC. So here SSC will come, means what will be the next step? SSR is going to come here, column, there row will come. So the SSC formula is summation x1 the whole square by n1. Even if you want to take out 1 by n1 outside, that in such a way also we can frame the formula, nothing is wrong. Plus summation of x2 square by n1 plus summation of x3 square by n1 minus t square by n. Where what is n1? n1 is the number of elements in each column, right? So replace respective values here and simplify. So through the table you can pick the value. Summation of x1 value is minus 18, summation of x2 is minus 24, summation of x3 is 7 and n1 is 4. Simplify this, you will get 135.17 is the value for SSC. What about SSR formula? There I used X, no, SSC. Then what about R? Y value I have to use. How many Y's are there? That means detergent, 4 detergents are there. Therefore, summation of y1 the whole square by n1 plus summation of y2 the whole square by n1 plus summation of y3 the whole square by n1 plus summation of y4 whole square by n1 minus t square by n, where n1 is number of elements in each row, right? So already I am having the values in the table. You just replace the values and simplify this. You will get 110.91 is the answer for SSR, that is sum of squares with respect to row. So here in our previous slide I have clearly explained about a table for RBD, that is two-way classifications. So now we will discuss one problem based on RBD. Look at this problem. An experiment was designed to study the performance of 4 different detergents for cleaning fuel injectors. The following. Now I am going to frame the ANOVA table for RBD. So here the source of variations: blacks, treatments, error, right? This is column value blacks, treatments is taken as R value, row value, and error as usual will come. So SSC value I am replacing 135.17. So C minus 1 is, again I get 3 minus 1, you will get 2 is the answer. SSR value is 110.91. So R minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1, you will get 3. So these both first two columns are very common, like one way ANOVA. SSE value is 18.84, and multiply this C minus 1 into R minus 1, here 3 into 2, 6. This is the degrees of freedom for error term. And mean sum of squares, MSC formula, as I said earlier, this value by this value, that means SSC by C minus 1 is the formula. Then 135.17 by 2 is equal to 67.585. Similarly, what about MSR, mean sum of square with respect to row, is equal to SSR by R minus 1, that is 110.91 by 3 will get 36.97 is the answer. And the MSE, error value is equal to SSE by C minus 1 into R minus 1, that is 18.84 divided by 6 equal to 3.14. Now how to frame the F value? FC, that means calculated value for F is equal to MSC by MSE, right? And what is the value? 67.585 divided by 3.14, you will get 21.52 is the answer for FC. And FR with respect to row, what is the value? MSR by MSE. So replace 36.97 divided by 3.14, you will get 11.77. And in our problem they are asking with the level of significance is 1. So FC in that table you just find out this value 2,6, you will get 10.92. Similarly, FR value you will get 3,6, in the place of 3,6 you will get 9.78, right? So again I am going to conclude this with respect to our own technique. Here the calculated value is 10.92 with respect to column, with respect to row 9.78. So here this is the tabular value, 10.92, 9.78 is the tabular value. The calculated value for F is with respect to C 21.52. So in FR is 11.77. Both are greater than the tabular value. Then what is the conclusion? This is the conclusion. Calculated FC is greater than tabular F. So therefore there is a significant difference for both column wise as well as R. But with respect to R as well as detergents, the cleanliness will change. This is the conclusion. Thank you.